There is a place hotter than the surface of the sun, with pressures so immense they can crush diamond into dust. A place where gravity behaves in ways that defy our intuition, and storms of liquid metal rage in eternal darkness. This alien world isn't in a distant galaxy. It lies directly beneath our feet. What if we could travel there? What would we find at the center of the Earth? The journey would begin by piercing the ground we stand on, a fragile crust merely 70 kilometers thick at its deepest. Our destination lies over 6,000 kilometers down, an odyssey through layers of geology and physics that have protected a secret for over 4.5 billion years. The initial descent would be a struggle against rock and heat, but the true challenges lie far deeper. Past the crust, we enter the mantle, a vast, slow-churning sea of semi-solid rock that makes up most of our planet's volume. Here, the temperature begins its relentless climb, and the pressure builds with every meter we descend. Then, at nearly 3,000 kilometers down, we breach the first true frontier, the outer core. The solid rock gives way to a sight no human has ever witnessed, an ocean of liquid iron and nickel glowing with a white-hot intensity. The temperature here exceeds 5,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize any known material. The pressure is millions of times greater than at the surface, a force that would atomize our vessel in an instant. This is the engine room of our world. The violent, swirling currents of this metallic sea generate a colossal magnetic field, an invisible shield that extends far into space. This magnetosphere is our silent guardian, deflecting deadly solar winds and cosmic radiation that would otherwise strip away our atmosphere and scour the planet's surface of all life. To witness the core is to witness the source of our own existence. As we descend deeper through this liquid inferno, a strange thing happens. Gravity, the force that has pulled us down so relentlessly, begins to weaken. We are now being pulled not just by the mass below us, but also by the immense mass of the planet we have left above. The forces begin to equalize, and then, at the very heart of it all, we arrive. The inner core, a solid sphere of iron and nickel, 2,400 kilometers in diameter, suspended in a state of perfect equilibrium. The pressure here is so extreme, 3.6 million times that of the surface, that the iron cannot melt, despite being as hot as the sun's surface. It is a world of crushing silence and impossible physics, where the concepts of up and down cease to have meaning. Humanity has dreamed of this journey. Ambitious projects, like the Kola super-deep borehole, have attempted to scratch the surface, drilling just over 12 kilometers before the planet's heat and pressure defeated our most advanced technology. Our machines melted. Our drills broke. The Earth itself denied us entry. Yet, the ambition remains. Hypothetically, tapping into this geothermal furnace could grant us a nearly infinite source of clean energy. But it is a power guarded by forces we cannot yet overcome. A machine capable of withstanding this environment remains purely in the realm of science fiction, a testament to the immense power hidden within our own world. If a man could somehow stand at the center of the Earth and survive, what would he see? He would be a visitor in a realm of pure physics, floating weightless within a solid, crystalline star. Around him, an ocean of liquid metal would flow like glowing rivers, driven by the planet's rotation and the relentless transfer of heat. He would witness the birth of magnetic storms that ripple outwards to protect a world he can no longer see. There would be no sound, only the hum of unimaginable energy and the profound silence of a place untouched by time or life. He would feel the immense weight of the world he left behind, pressing in from all directions. This journey forces a profound realization. We spend so much of our time gazing upward, searching for answers in the cold expanse of space, seeking out new worlds among the stars. But perhaps the greatest mystery, the most alien landscape, and the most fundamental secrets to our survival are not out there, but deep within. Sometimes the universe beneath our feet is far more wondrous and terrifying than the one above our heads.